Cinnamon is one of the popular spices that is used both at home and in restaurants. But with how widely used cinnamon is, it is important to note the potential side effects that it can cause. So join us today as we discuss the health risks of having too much cinnamon. Supplements come in a wide variety and are sold at food shops. Herbs and spices frequently have some health advantages, but some spices like cinnamon may also be riddled with negative effects. Many individuals have herbal medicines to enhance mental and bodily well-being. They can be an excellent way to supplement your diet with extra vitamins and minerals if prescribed by a doctor. But certain supplements might have negative side effects, so it's crucial to do your research. In supermarkets, cinnamon comes in two different varieties. The package's nutrition label typically includes the scientific name. The most prevalent kind of cinnamon available in supermarkets is Cassia. It is from China and differs somewhat from cinnamon from Ceylon in terms of its qualities. Ceylon cinnamon, which comes from Sri Lanka and is frequently referred to as true cinnamon, is the healthiest variety and also the priciest. The flavoring agent coumarin, which is present in each of these cinnamon varieties, is the primary distinction between them, contrary to Ceylon cinnamon. Make sure you know what sort of cinnamon you have if you're taking cinnamon pills or drinking cinnamon tea. High dosages of coumarin may be harmful to certain people. Adults shouldn't drink more than 1 teaspoon of Cassia cinnamon daily to prevent consuming too much coumarin, which might worsen pre-existing liver issues. Before we continue, a brief request from us. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our valuable content on health in the future. Now let's continue with the health risks of having too much cinnamon. In general, using cinnamon as a spice in small doses is harmless. It has a number of remarkable health advantages. However, overeating may have adverse effects that might be deadly because it is a strong source of coumarin. This usually applies to cinnamon from the Cassia genus. On the other hand, coumarin is barely present in Ceylon cinnamon. The daily dose of coumarin that is considered reasonable is 0.05 milligrams per pound of body weight. You may consume this much coumarin each day without experiencing any negative side effects. This is equivalent to 8 milligrams of coumarin per day for a 178-pound adult. However, if you do happen to use too much cinnamon and you overuse it too frequently, here's what can happen if you continue doing so. Number 1. Too much cinnamon may cause heart problems. Since cinnamon is known to raise your heart rate, using high dosages of it might be risky for people with cardiac conditions. Similarly, undiluted cinnamon oil, particularly in youngsters, can raise heart rates quickly. Keep in mind that cinnamon oil has a strong flavor and should be diluted to less than 2% before use. Most individuals can safely utilize it at those concentrations. Number 2. Too much cinnamon may cause low blood sugar. Chronically, having high blood sugar is unhealthy. Diabetes, heart disease, and a host of other health issues might result from it if left untreated. It is commonly known that cinnamon can reduce blood sugar levels. Studies have revealed that the spice can imitate the actions of the hormone insulin, which aids in removing sugar from the blood. Although consuming a small amount of cinnamon may help decrease blood sugar, doing so excessively may cause it to drop too low. This is known as hypoglycemia. It may cause fatigue, wooziness, and even fainting. Those who are taking diabetic treatments are particularly at risk of having low blood sugar levels. It's because cinnamon has the potential to intensify the effects of these drugs and induce dangerously low blood sugar levels. Number 3. Too much cinnamon may cause irritation and allergies. Some people either acquire a cinnamon allergy as children or as adults. You may experience stomach discomfort and skin rashes as signs of a cinnamon allergy. Heavy usage may irritate your lips and mouth, leading to sores. It triggers allergies in certain people. If you apply it to your skin, it might result in redness and irritation. Number 4. Too much cinnamon may cause breathing problems. Breathing issues may result from consuming too much ground cinnamon at once. This is so that it won't be difficult to inhale due to the spice's fine texture. Coughing, choking, and trouble breathing can all result from accidentally inhaling it. Additionally, the cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon irritates the throat. It could make respiratory issues worse. People with asthma or other medical disorders that impact breathing need to be very wary about accidentally inhaling cinnamon, since they are more likely to encounter difficulties breathing. Number 5. Too much cinnamon may cause liver damage. Coumarin is abundant in Cassia cinnamon, while Ceylon cinnamon only has negligible levels of coumarin. Pulverized Cassia cinnamon contains a range of 7 to 18 milligrams of coumarin per teaspoon. A 130-pound individual can consume 5 milligrams of coumarin daily, or roughly 0.05 milligrams per pound of body weight. Accordingly, consuming even a single teaspoon of Cassia cinnamon might cause you to exceed the daily limit. Unfortunately, a number of studies have revealed that consuming too much coumarin may harm and cause toxicity in the liver. Number 6. Too much cinnamon may interact with medications. With the majority of drugs, cinnamon is safe to consume in modest to moderate doses. If you are taking medicine for diabetes, heart disease, or liver disease, taking too much may be a problem. This is due to the possibility that cinnamon may interact with such drugs, either amplifying their effects or causing more severe adverse side effects. High coumarin concentrations seen in Cassia cinnamon have been linked to liver toxicity and damage. A lot of cinnamon may raise the risk of liver damage if you're taking drugs that may harm your liver, such as paracetamols, acetaminophen, and statins. Additionally, since cinnamon may reduce blood sugar if you're already taking diabetic medicine, the spice might heighten its effects and cause your blood sugar to drop too low. Number 7. Too much cinnamon may cause premature labor. Cinnamon should not be consumed by pregnant women. This is due to the potential for cinnamon, especially oils, to produce early labor or uterine contractions. When cinnamon eases indigestion, gas, and stomach aches, you should not use cinnamon while you are pregnant for those conditions. Although a cup of cinnamon every now and then is probably harmless, you should not take the chance. Avoid taking cinnamon pills at all costs, especially inhaling cinnamon oil. Number 8 and last on the list. Too much cinnamon may increase the risk of cancer. Animal studies have demonstrated that consuming excessive amounts of coumarin, which is present in large amounts of Cassia cinnamon, may raise the risk of several malignancies. For instance, research on rats have revealed that consuming too much coumarin might result in the growth of malignant tumors in the lungs, liver, and kidneys. It's unknown how coumarin could result in cancers. However, other experts think that over time, DNA damage brought on by coumarin increases the chance of cancer. The majority of studies on the cancer-causing potential of coumarin have been conducted on animals. To determine whether there is a similar connection between coumarin and cancer in humans, more studies need to be done. To conclude, it should be noted that cinnamon is a tasty spice that has been connected to several health advantages. While eating in moderation is harmless, going overboard can cause negative effects. Cinnamon is a healthful spice that is safe to take in small to moderate amounts. While consuming too much of it may have some negative effects, especially if you're pregnant, it is more than enough to eat less than the allowable daily amount to provide you the benefits for your health. And that concludes our video, folks, on the health risks of having too much cinnamon. Be reminded that this video is primarily for information, and we do not claim to provide medical advice that is tailor-suited to your needs. Be reminded to contact and consult with a medical professional and seek personalized healthcare that will fit you. Please leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell button to receive information on our new health-related videos. If you want to watch more of our content, check out this video in the lower right corner. You can also check out our playlist of related content. Anyway, see you later, and thank you as always for watching.